Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you first chapter from the book First Flight. Chapter is A Letter to God. And this is the activity which we have to complete. We'll discuss this activity and the concerned exercises later on once we finish this chapter. So the story starts with the description of the house. So let's just go through it. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. Now here the author is giving us a description of the house, which was the only house, means there were no other houses in that valley, in that location, and it was located. Now here sat actually means located. The house was located on the crest of a low hill. Low hill means the जिसे हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं पहाड़ी. तो एक छोटी सी पहाड़ी की चोटी पे, crest means चोटी. So the top of a hill. Crest means top of a hill. एक छोटी सी पहाड़ी की चोटी. From this height, one could see the river and the field of a ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. Now here the author is giving us the description of the house and its location, that from this location everything was visible because it was at a height. So one could easily see the river that was flowing below the hill, and one could also see the field where the corn was ripe, and the corn on the was like looking like yellow flowers, small flowers dotted with the flowers. Now here they are actually referring to the corn pieces which we can see when the corn gets ripe, and from the top of the hill it was looking like there are several flowers that the corn is carrying above it, and which actually was a signal that there was a good harvest. एक अच्छी फसल का इशारा था. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour, or at least a shower. The only thing that was required at that time was rain. So here shower actually means rain. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. Now here we are being provided with a description what Lencho was doing at that time. Throughout the morning, all through the morning, Lencho was just waiting for the rains to come. So he was looking at the skies in the hope that there will be rain. Now we are really going to get some water, woman. Now here Lencho is actually referring to his wife. He is telling that maybe very soon we will have rain. The woman who was preparing supper means food, replied, yes, God willing, भगवान ने चाहा तो जरूर. The older boys were working in the field. Now here we are being told that the older boys, they were working in the field, while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all. Now here we are being provided with the description of the family, that the boys who were young enough, mature enough to work, they were working in the field, and the younger ones, they were playing near the house. When the lady of the house, means the wife of Lencho, called them for having dinner or supper, they all gathered. Come for the dinner. It was during the meal that, just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. So Lencho predicted it in the morning when he told his wife that maybe we will have rain, and when they were having their supper, big drops of rain had already begun. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. Yes, the clouds were visible from the northeast. The air was fresh and sweet, as we can smell when there is rain. The smell of the air can be felt. It's sweet and fresh. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Now here, Lencho, when he saw rain coming, he just went out to feel the rain, to enjoy the rain. And when he returned, he exclaimed, "These aren't raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins." He referred to the raindrops as coins because if there is good rainfall, farmers obviously have good harvest. The big drops are 10-cent pieces and the little ones are 5. He just describes the raindrops and compares it with the cents. Bigger ones with the 10 cent and the smaller ones with the 5 cent. Like cent is like paisa. The 10 paisa, you can say 10 paisa or 5 paisa in Indian rupee system. But since this story is based maybe USA, so this is all about cent. There we have dollar and cent. With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers, draped in a curtain of rain. He expressed with satisfaction that the field of ripe corn, मक्का जो कि पक चुका था, उसके फूलों के साथ with its flower, draped in a curtain of rain. And it was covered with curtain of rain, means the field was covered with rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to flow, and along with the rain very large hailstones began to fall. But all of a sudden this rain turned out into a kind of storm. Hailstones started falling down. Hailstone means ole. And the wind started to blow, and these truly did resemble new silver coins. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls. And these hailstones, they were resembling like the silver coins falling from the sky. And the boys who were actually playing in the rain now wanted to collect all these frozen pearls, the hailstones.